Exmark LED light kits are custom fitted to the model of mower you own, and there's a whole host of other benefits you get when you buy Exmark Original light kits. We're going to talk about those today. I'm here with Jonathan Guarneri, who's a product manager here at Exmark. We're talking light kits. Now, you've probably seen just about every application of a homemade light kit or something someone came up with on their own. But Exmark makes original parts light kits for almost every product that we make. So we're going to talk about lights and specifically what having an Exmark Original light kit, how that benefits us. Jonathan?
Yep, so a few years ago we transitioned from halogen lights to LED lights. The nice thing about LED lights, first of all, the life and longevity is about 10 times as much as a halogen light bulb. They're also far more energy conscious, right? So they consume a lot less energy than halogen bulbs. The other nice thing too is with halogen bulbs, you have a filament in there, right? And as you're going along uneven terrain and the mower's being jostled around, there would be a tendency for that filament to break and those lights would go out prematurely. With LED lights, we really don't have that concern. They run cooler, they last longer. Overall, just a much better light over the old school halogen bulbs.
Yeah, that's excellent to be able to provide that added light. Now, that light is really going to give us the benefit of what? Is it working more hours?
Yep, it's going to definitely extend our mow times, right? We're able to mow earlier in the morning and later on into the evening. The other nice thing about it is let's say there's inclement weather, right? We all know how Mother Nature is. She'll throw something our way and we just have to adapt to it. So if there's thunderstorms or something that occur during the day, this can extend your mow time later on into the evening.
Okay, yeah. And so really having that flexibility in when you can mow, the visibility, that sort of thing, that gets us the time to be able to do the things we want to do. And so that's a huge benefit. Now, these light kits, an Exmark Original light kit, comes for a lot of different mowers, and so there's a lot of different mounting applications. Are those custom for each mower line?
Yeah, so the nice thing about buying OEM parts is, those light kits are going to be very specific to those units. So here, we have a Vertex stand-on. The lights get mounted to the front of the dash. That light that you're holding there, Ryan, is one that would go on our Laser Zs, and that gets mounted right at the bottom of the drive lever, so kind of where your knees are. Radius, on the other hand, has them mounted up towards the ROPS, and Quest has it right in between the toe board.
Okay, so custom fit applications that are right from the factory. You don't have to worry about the fit and how you're going to power it. That's a huge benefit to that. Now, with this Vertex, there's even some other options. This is a headlight option. We've also got some safety LED strobe light kits. Is that correct?
Yep. We call them amber strobe lights, and really where we see a lot of use for those is crews that are mowing along the roadsides, right? Just to give them higher visibility as cars are passing by.
So all those applications really provide that light you need. And the nice part is when you're buying an Exmark part, you don't have to worry about figuring out how to mount it or how you turn it on and off, things like that.
Yep, and that's really the nice thing about buying an OEM accessory is that accessory is specifically designed to work with that unit. So when it comes to actually doing the installation, you have really easy instructions on how to do so. You have a nice convenient spot for a light switch to be able to turn it on and off. It just is a much more refined appearance as opposed to trying to jury rig something yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're looking to extend those hours or get better visibility or be safer, an Exmark light kit is definitely the way to go. So you can talk to your dealer or shop online at exmark.com and be able to get an Exmark Original light kit for your mower.